Yo, it's your boy Eco from E-Money channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to promote ClickBank product without a website with free fast traffic. So make sure you stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So guys, in case you are new to my channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notification whenever I upload a new video. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. All right, now I just decided to show you this. At least this will give you a little heads up. So in case you want to make money online with ClickBank, this method I'm about to show you is going to help you. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video to see the step-by-step guide on how this is done. So guys, I'm going to show you the secret on how to promote ClickBank product without a website, how to promote any affiliate link for free without a website, with what I'm about to show you. So guys, by the end of this video, I'm going to tell you the secret. So don't skip any part of this video. Guys, please make sure you comment below if you have any question, and I am planning to have a little program for those who are commenting, meaning the more you comment, the more you tend to be to be among the winner of my free giveaway. So guys, I plan to give away free stuff. So make sure you click the like button, click the subscribe button, and comment below in order to qualify for this. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. So guys, this is my ClickBank account. As you can see, it's Godwin. That's my nickname. Now I decided to show you this so that at least you have hope. Just know that all hope is not lost. The fact that you've not started making sales does not mean that you will not make sales. I remember when I first started a few years ago. So guys, this is why I want you to follow my step-by-step instructions. So without further ado, I want us to get started. So guys, first what you need to do is you log into your ClickBank account. Make sure you have a ClickBank account, or you have a JVZoo account, or if it's CPA Grip, it's okay. You can use this method for any kind of online business you are doing, so long it involves affiliate link. It may be CPA offers, it may be ClickBank offers, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and the rest. So guys, in case you are living in any part of the world, this method also works. If you are living in Africa, you are living in US, in Europe, anywhere you are staying, anywhere you reside in, this method works. So guys, without further ado, let me show you the secret. First, you need to select a quality product to promote. So how do you promote a quality product, guys? How do you know the right product to promote? I like promoting e-marketing. That's e-business and e-marketing. So just click that. So in case you are interested in weight loss niche, this method can also work for you. For the case of this video, I think we'll use dog training. Let's go to dog training. Where is it? 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 It's dog. Okay, I believe it should be somewhere here. Okay guys, as you can see, this is it. We'll be using dog training for this example. You can use this for any niche that you are in, for weight loss niche, for make money online niche, for CPA marketing, whatever you want to use it for, so long it involves affiliate link. So guys, make sure you search by gravity. As I always tell my students, search by gravity, and this is a good product. How do I know that? One, it has affiliate page, and two is that's the initial sale is okay, and the gravity is okay, is more than 50. Make sure you select a product which gravity is more than 50. So we'll visit their affiliate page. As you can see, guys, I think this product is a good one too. It's a good product to promote. How do I know? It has banners, it has free giveaway, email swipe, promotional videos. As you can see, guys, it has promotional videos. That's one thing you must take note of. every product you want to promote, make sure it has a promotional video, so that, because the more it has video, the more it's convertible. So we are going to use this for the purpose of this video. For example, let's use this product. Let's get our affiliate link. Just come here, click on promote, then generate uplink, then copy it, guys. So this is the uplink that you just generated. Now once you have your affiliate link, now you need to promote this affiliate link without a website. So guys, here is the real stuff. So don't skip the video, make sure you watch it to the end. Now there is an email platform or a landing page platform. Mind you guys, you can use this with any platform you wish to. You can use freewix.com, but I have a recommendation. The link is in the video description. It is called Get Response. Once you click the link in the video description, it will get you to this page. All you need to do is sign up for free. It is a 30-day free trial. I believe this is going to help you. The landing pages are okay, so just go there and sign up. So let me just log in. Now once you sign up, then you go to your dashboard and just click on create landing page. Create landing page, as you can see, guys. So we are going to create a landing page for this offer, for this dog training offer, in order to promote it without a website. You don't need a website, guys. So you can start. Let's select this dog training. Click next. Guys, watch this video to the end. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna rush it. So guys, now here's the affiliate page. Let's go to the affiliate page to get some content, free content. So guys, it's absolutely free. So just get it. Okay, where's our affiliate link? Let's paste it somewhere. Let's paste our affiliate link here. Okay, now here's it. Here's the product. Okay, it has image swipe. Let's go to image swipe, because this is the real thing, guys. We are going to make real money. Now this is our topic. So just paste it. Change the color. Can change the color to whatever you like. I like using red. Guys, let's remove this. We don't need it. Don't need it. So it's as simple as this, guys. So for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to make this to be too long. So let's say here's our content. You can add image if you want. So the link is in the video description. Just sign up for free. As you can see, here's the image swipe. As you can see, here's the image swipe. Just copy and paste here. That's it, guys. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to show you how you are going to promote this landing page without a website, and that will generate you sales. When I mean sales, I mean sales. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I want you to make money just the way I'm making it, by the grace of God. So just okay. Now let's copy our affiliate link. Copy, Ctrl C, then paste it here. All you need to do is just to highlight here, highlight it, and paste your link. Paste your link. It's as simple as that. Also highlight this one and paste your link. So guys, it's as simple as this. Now once you are on this page, once you are done, you just have to click on next. Click on proceed without mobile versions. You can create a mobile version if you want. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to be fast. So just change the domain name dog training. So guys, this is why I recommend this dog training. So click the link in the video description to sign up for free dog training 222. Okay guys, just click on publish. Click on publish. So guys, here's the affiliate link. Here's the link we'll be promoting, so that once they click this link, once they click it, it will direct them to this page. As you can see, you can do your own. Your own should be more beautiful than this, so that it will be attractive. I did this very briefly, very short, because of the purpose of this video. So once those you send it to click on this, they get to your affiliate. As you can see guys, here's my affiliate link. As you can see my username. As you can see guys, this is awesome. So once they buy this product, you get paid. Now, how do you get these leads? Okay, now just, we are promoting dog training. Go to Google and search dog training. I want to show you dog training. As you can see, I have a little extension here called keywords everywhere. Now copy these keywords, copy everything, copy these keywords, copy it. Okay, now we have it now. So I'm going to introduce to you a software that will help you to extract real emails from the web. That's anybody that searches this, their email will show up. Okay guys, here's the software. The link also is in the video description. Make sure you check it out. You can get this software. You can download it for Windows. You can download it for Mac. It works for both Windows and Mac. So what you need to do first, enter targeted keywords. Now the keywords we just copy, just paste them here. You can paste up to 5,000 keywords, guys. This software is awesome. Now this place, enter email service provider. I don't like using this because some of these, to be honest with you, some of these are no longer in vogue. So just remove them and put in Gmail. Delete. Put in gmail.com, yahoo.com, aol.com, and hotmail.com. So guys, this is also, just click on start. You can include phone numbers, but I'm not going to include phone numbers here. So guys, just wait for a few seconds and you'll see that it will begin to generate. As you can see guys, it's counting. So guys, this is very easy. This is the best way to promote your affiliate link without a website, for free. So guys, if by the time you get these emails, if you leave this to run for like 30 minutes, 1 hour, you can get up to more than 1,000 emails. This is for real. So long you type in the right keywords. If it's weight loss, just come here and type in weight loss, and every keyword related to weight loss, and anyone that have ever typed weight loss in Google or in any search engine or anywhere on the web, it will scrape the emails. As you can see here, these are real emails. Gmail.com, all these ones, they are real emails, guys. So guys, the link is in the video description. So I think I'm going to end this video here. So once you are through, just click on export. Click on export, type in whatever you want to, then just save it. So guys, that's basically how it works. God bless you as you use this software. The link is in the video description. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment and like. If possible, share it. Thank you and God bless. So once you get this, you can use that get response to send the emails or any email sender provider. So guys, get the software. The link is in the video description. As you get it, I pray that you'll be able to make money just the way it is being used, just the way it's working for me. Thank you. Shalom.